What's up, Mopar fam? Today on this episode we'll be installing a DiabloSport tune on a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT with your Mopar bro at FredEasy21. Yep. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Installing a DiabloSport tune on a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT is easy to do, but it takes a bit of time, so sit back, relax, have a beer, and enjoy the process. Alright, the process took about an hour for me, but I would leave myself 2 just in case you need to call into DiabloSport for any technical issues. They do happen. Okay, so unlocked PCMs and security bypass modules are required for tuning for the 2015 to 2021 Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep vehicles. So we're going to assume that you've already swapped your factory PCM with an unlocked one, or that you have a Mopar between 2005 to 2014. For the 2015 and up Mopars, y'all can check out our PCM swap episode link in the description and in the comments below. Alright, so the tools of the trade today are patience, beer, a computer with internet access, and a DiabloSport tuner. Today we'll be using a DiabloSport I3. Alright, let's get it. First thing to do is to hop onto your computer and head over to diablosport.com/downloads to download and install Update Agent 1.0. After that, plug in the DiabloSport tuner via a USB cable and open the Update Agent program in your computer. The update agent will recognize the tuner and start updating the tuner if there is one available for it. After the update is completed, head over to the Mopar and plug it into the OBD2 port, in which the tuner will boot right up. Now a disclaimer will pop up. Just hit that yes button and get into the main menu. Next, hit that Tune Vehicle tab, in which the tuner will ask you to cycle the Mopar into the run position, but do not start the engine. Next, hit that Continue button on the tuner. Once the next menu appears on the tuner, hit the Easy Tune tab and choose your desired tune. In the next menu, choose it again and hit the Yes box on the disclaimer box. Alright, next one's a little confusing, but follow me here. After that, on the next menu, hit Install Tune, and on the next menu, hit Modify Stock Tune and hit Yes when asked to use the selected tune. I know, a little bit confusing with the wording, but hitting Modify Stock Tune is what gets you into the next menu. On the next menu, the tuner will ask you if you would like to modify parameters such as tire size and removing the speed limiter. Adjust them as you prefer. Next, the tuner will start installing the tune, beginning with loading the original backup from your PCM. The tuner will ask you to cycle the Mopar to the off position and back into the run position several times, so be patient and follow the tuner's commands as they come. Once the backup tune is loaded, the tuner will again ask you if you would like to install the tune. Hit yes and go through the process again, as it will ask you to cycle the Mopar to the off position and back into the run position several times as it installs the canned tune. Finally, once the tuner tells you tuning is complete, unplug the tuner from the OBD2 port and start the Mopar. Congratulations, you have now installed a canned DiabloSport tune on your Mopar. Pretty easy, eh? As mentioned before, the process took about an hour, but I would leave myself 2 hours just in case you need to call into DiabloSport for any technical issues. DiabloSport tuning is available for Mopars all the way from 2005. As mentioned before, 2015 and up Mopars require unlocked PCMs for tuning, and 2018 and up Mopars require a bypass module along with the unlocked PCMs for tuning. Alright, so stay tuned for our next episode, as we will be pulling the tune out of this baby and sending it over to Hemi for custom tuning. For now, you can check out our PCM swap video in the comments, as well as the instructions in the description below. Hope this helps, Mopar fam. Peace.